Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you're all fine. Today we are going to start exercise 7b and the question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Number A is adjacent angles have a common side and a common dash. First of all we have to read the definition of adjacent angles. Angle LMO and angle NMO are known as adjacent angles. Angle LMO and NMO are these angles because they have a common side MO. These two angles are adjacent angles because they have a common side and a common vertex. So we write here vertex because the adjacent angles are those angles which have a common side and a common vertex. Number B is if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are dash. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if their sum is 90 degree. For example, we have here two angles 25 degree and 65 degree. Their sum is equal to 90 degree, so these two angles are complementary angles. So we write here complementary. Number C is two angles are supplementary if their sum is dash. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is equal to 180 degree. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree, that is angles lie on a straight line. These two angles are supplementary angle because their sum is equal to 180 degree. The straight angle is 180 degree and these two angles are equal to 180 degree, so these are supplementary angles. Number D is we can not find the dash of 90 degree angle. We cannot find the complementary of 90 degree angle. Number E is if an angle is 85 degree, its supplementary angle will be 95 degree. How we can find the number 95? We have to subtract 85 from 180 because the supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. So we subtract 85 from 180 and the answer will be 95 degree. So we write here 95 degree. Question number 2 is state whether the following are true or false. The first statement is the supplementary angle of a right angle is a right angle. The supplementary angle of a right angle is a right angle because right angle is equal to 90 degree and two right angles sum is equal to 180, so this statement is true. Number B is the complementary angle of 50 degree is 140 degree. The complementary angle of 50 is 140 degree. This statement is false. Number C is adjacent angles share a common vertex. As we read the definition of adjacent angles, they share a common vertex and a common side. So this statement is true. Number D is if angle ACB is equal to 120 degree and angle KLM is equal to 60 degree, then they are supplementary angles. These sum is equal to 180 degrees, so this statement is true. Number E is the supplementary angle of an acute angle is also an acute angle. The supplementary of an acute angle is also an acute angle. This statement is false because acute angle is less than 90 degree. Okay students, today's lecture is complete. If you have any problem in these questions, you may clear it by asking me. Allah Hafiz.